The news in detail. Rikman Ji Momin has been re-elected as the state president of the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya during the ongoing Sangathan Parv 2024-25 event. The felicitation ceremony took place at the state BJP office, attended by Union Minister of State George Kurian and BJP National Secretary Anil Antony. During the event, it was also announced that A.L. Hek, Sanbor Shulai and Ernest Mauri have been elected as National Council members. Momin, in his address to the media, expressed his commitment to strengthening the party's presence in Meghalaya as he leads the BJP state unit.
In every political party, there is always a criticism, the leader. Even Modi ji has been criticized. So I'm nothing here, I'm only a state president. I have to organize the party and strengthen the party, that's all.
Yeah.